What's up, guys? It's Joshua Foster back here again. Ooh, she's cold. Gotta really give her some fuel. The truck's smoking right now. But today I'm gonna go over to Loud and Proud's house. He wants me to bring him over a jack for doing something on the old 7.3 they got. I can't see shit. I had to switch vests. I didn't like that other one, and this one's much warmer. Even though it's not really that cold today, it's like 30 degrees. It's been way colder this year than normal, but 30 degrees is like spring. So, yeah. Didn't think about that jack being on wheels. Hopefully it stays in the back of my truck. So today we're gonna get a little truck vlogging in. I know a lot of you guys, well, all of you follow me because of the truck stuff. But I haven't been able to do much lately because I've been working a lot. And I've just been working till dark. And when the days get longer, I'll be able to start recording more. But I was kind of sick last night, just like, you know, the kind of sick where like you think you're gonna barf, so you just sit by the toilet for hours and you end up not barfing. That's the kind of sick I was. And so I decided to just rest today and give me a chance to get back with you guys and make a video, so I'm pretty excited. It'll be fun. Okay, so here we are at the Loud and Proud residence, and good old Mr. Loud and Proud is vlogging. What's up, man? Who's this guy? Stranger. Who's this guy? Long time no see. Long time no see. No, nothing on the tube over. I'm just gonna lift the truck. Yeah, maybe. If anything, that's dangerous.
Well, if the truck drops.
Alright.
I told him lift it as
well,
high as
we're gonna have to get a sledgehammer.
We do have a sledge here.
I got one. That was my first truck. This is my second truck. That's my third truck. Got a lot of trucks, just not a lot of good trucks. So here's the dilemma. We gotta get the wheel off of the 7.3. Nothing's working, but he has a deadline. He has to get it done by 5 to make the video. That way he can take his girl out. But they don't have a sledge or anything over there because it's all at their other barn. And I'm just here looking for a sledge at my house, but I don't see one here either. So all we've got is a spud bar. No sledgehammer. It's a sad day. One more thing, I'm gonna look over here. We have a big old pile of junk next to the truck. I'm just not seeing anything. I don't know what's going on. Oh, by the way, that cap right there is a great cap. It's for sale, but nobody wants it. So, still for sale. Like this video if you guys have junkyard in your yard as well. It's like, you're not a redneck unless you have a junkyard. That's like the, I'll get back with you later. I don't know what the word is. That's like the standard. You gotta have a few junk trucks or cars laying around and a trailer full of trash.
A new truck. And this thing, I wouldn't doubt it sees down there tight because it's, what are you doing?
This is a microphone.
It's not a microphone, it's a freaking big old hunk
I got
of
him a
metal.
spud bar to see if he can bust this baby off.
So
show us what you got. Okay. Come on.
Great.
Use the round end and just kind of
But
ram it right in there. Tip first.
His was so bad, and it was only a 3-year-old truck when he was doing that.
Just be careful with the.
Yeah, no, it's just spinning. Yeah, that's not gonna do anything.
There you go. There you go. Oh, there. You got it budging. Here, let me see.
Anyway, you can pry it off, or
Yeah, maybe I'll try. Damn. Might need a couple more whacks.
Joshua started. We got it. Hitting it hard. You got it.
That's good.
I think it's good.
Can I pull it off or you want to pull it off?
Yes, I'm filming my vlog. I'm filming Josh's vlog.
You want to pull it off since you
can
worked so
pull it
hard on
off.
this all day?
Since you did all the spudding. If those studs are opening up, it's gonna suck.
They're not at all. They were welded on.
Ha!
Wow.
Is that all?
Rust. This is called the.
This is called the no breaker bar or hair gun.
This is the stab and stomp.
I do not agree with this statement.
I'm pretty impressed with that. Proud of you.
What was the joke?
Well guys, that was fun, helping him out, getting his stuff done. He's always finding himself in those predicaments. He's got all his stuff at one house and not at another. While we're on the topic of wheels and tires, I was thinking about putting bigger wheels and tires on the GMC. And so I think we're gonna do that just to have a fun little off-road vehicle, because right now it's not really like doing anything. Just kind of sit in the yard, and if I put bigger tires on it, we can just use it for at least like yard work, have more fun, not get stuck. Not that it would ever get stuck. So if you're gonna take a look there for comparison, there is the old tires. There's the tires I want to put on it. I'm assuming we're gonna have some rubbing issues, but we'll deal with it. All right, see if it starts. Well, so far not so good. Okay, so it's not running so great, but I think it's running good enough to put wheels on it. Yikes, it does not sound good. But anyways, here's the other two. Just see what we can do. It shouldn't be super hard. So since it's super rusty, I'm gonna jack it up back here behind the front tire and then go from there. So I think with a tune-up, it'll run a lot better, but we'll see.
Filmed it. Oh, Chase! Watch out! Oh, wait. Why am I sitting on this side? What is wrong with me?
You better add me in his video.
Sponsor us. Josh?
Yeah.
You better tag Katie Girl Fit in that video. Give me a little shout out.
Okay.
And Michael Morris Golf's wife, you know.
Hopefully it will. Yeah, perfect. Okay, sweet. It looks way bigger. It already looks cooler. Check that out. Old tire, new tire. Old you get the point. Anyways, let's go to the other side on the front, and we'll do that one. It's like a makeover for the truck. Okay, it's done. Tell me what you think. I think it looks great. it gives it like a little bit of character. I don't know, like if you guys get giddy when you put new tires on your truck, but it is like freaking pretty, man. It's good looking. I mean, there's nothing glamorous about this truck, but now with these wheels and tires, it definitely looks a lot more like it can handle some mud and some dirt. But I like that. They're a little bit wider tires. They're definitely gonna rub a little bit in the front, but it's not gonna be an issue. I'm super excited. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw these tires up in the truck. Actually, just for comparison, these tires aren't a ton bigger. They're definitely way wider, but for comparison, they're about 2 inches taller. I don't know if you can tell. Not from there anyway, but they're 2 inches bigger all the way around, bottom, top, sides. So cool. Well, new tires, but it runs like poop. Well, actually it doesn't run right now. It sounds like your Chevy did when the starter was going off. Yep. Okay guys, well it looks like the day has been cut short because for some reason it pulled up here and now it doesn't want to start. Help me figure out what's wrong with this thing. You heard some of it, but anyway, she looks a lot better now, and as long as we can get it running, it'll be a fun mudding truck, and you guys will get a lot of content from this. But help me out, let me know what's that sound, what's it mean, and maybe we'll figure it out. But anyways, I don't think I'll be going out to get that scope rail tonight or anything, but we'll see. And if I do, I'll bring you guys with me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a lot of fun. And I know it was just a tire change, but it's content, and content's what you guys asked for. So anyway, thank you so much, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
Let's go.